At NTT Data, our goal is to realize a society that's happier and more fulfilling for each and every one of us. Smarter society. For that, rather than just DX within particular companies or industries, we believe we need to promote society-wide DX that crosses barriers to and between industries and propels links between data and services. That's Society DX. And the key to realizing Society DX is an advanced technology called Digital Twin. By digitalizing various info about things, people, and concepts in physical space, and expressing them as digital copies in cyberspace, we create twins identical to their physical space counterparts. We then conduct various simulations, like data analysis and future predictions, use the results to find optimal methods and actions, and give that feedback in physical space. Repeating this cycle is expected to lead to better services and more appropriate policies. We'll show you two concepts NTT Data works on: Cyber First and Digital Twin Fusion, that are part of that digital twin technology. First up is Cyber First. The first step for a typical digital twin is to collect physical space data and then use that data to create cyberspace. Conversely, Cyber First digital twins envision ideas using ideal worldviews and prerequisites. They start by building virtually in cyberspace. We then repeat simulations and finally implement that design structure in physical space. From there, real-time feedback results on actions in physical space make continuous improvement possible at all times. The biggest benefit of Cyber First is being able to see the result before actually acting. You can change conditions multiple times in cyberspace to do trial and error, and find more suitable results at a lower cost in a shorter time. For example, when a logistics company is opening a new distribution center, where should it be located? How many trucks will they need? What about shipping costs? Operation rates? CO2 emissions? What if they shipped using drones? Cyber First digital twins allow you to experiment with various conditions, just like building blocks. This screen shows a simulation using a Cyber First digital twin that NTT Data is now testing. You can simulate different delivery routes while changing conditions like locations and vehicle or drone usage, and compare performance from various angles based on the conditions you set. But that's not all. For example, when drones can't fly due to bad weather, or when vehicles break down on delivery routes. Even given unforeseen physical space conditions, feeding back that info lets you take smart actions, like changing routes or making other arrangements. And supporting Cyber First is the concept of Digital Twin Fusion. Digital Twin Fusion involves taking a created digital twin and combining it with other digital twins for a more advanced simulation. For example, starting with a logistics digital twin and adding in weather and traffic digital twins allows for a more accurate simulation. Another example is if you had a new business idea that taxis carry passengers plus packages of logistics companies, fusing digital twins for taxis, logistics, and the flow of people allows you to simulate the impacts on both taxi and logistics companies. Fusing a digital twin with one purpose with another that has a different purpose broadens the scope of possibilities. We believe that this new development in digital twin technology will be a key that leads to realizing society-wide DX. Society DX. Toward a society that everyone can live comfortably in. NTT Data is doing its best to make that reality.